Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you will be fine by grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to channel BIO910. Today I am here with your biology lecture. Chapter 2, Solving a Biological Problem. Our chapter title is Solving a Biological Problem. Now you know what is biology and what is a biological problem. Biology is the study of living organism, and this problem is related to living organisms. It may be related to health, it may be related to food, it may be related to environment. Here I am going to give you some examples. When we are studying about some disease or a health problem, then it is a biological problem. When we are dealing with the food problems, and then it is a biological problem. And if we are discussing or we are concerned with the environmental pollution or any problem related to environment, this is also a biological problem. So what is biological problem? Biological problem is any question that is related to living organism or that is related to all these aspects. Now this is a question that is either asked by someone or comes in biologist's mind by him or herself. This is a question that is arised by these things, or someone asks from you, or that comes in your own mind. Because you are a biologist by birth. Man has been a biologist from the time he was born. इंसान जब से पैदा हुआ है उससे लेकर जब तक वो ज़िंदगी गुजारता है, he lives like a biologist. You are basically a biologist. So this is biological problem is related to organism. And this biological method, this is a scientific method that is used to solve this biological problem. This is a method that we will adopt to solve any biological problem that may be related to environment, that may be related to food, that may be related to health. If you remember, in first chapter we have studied which are the major biological issues or biological problem nowadays, and we have listed that first biological problem, that is environmental pollution. This is a major biological issues nowadays, environmental pollution. So this is an example of biological problem. Second one is drug addiction. Drug addiction means addiction of drugs that is very harmful for health. So it is related to health. Third one is increasing population. Population is increasing day by day and problems are arising. So this is also a type of biological problem. Fourth one is infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are those diseases that spread from one person to another person. So I have given you 4 examples of biological problems that we are facing nowadays. Hope so you have got the point that what is biological problem and what may come in this aspect and what are the example of biological problem. Thank you. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.